Comprehensive Guide to Spousal and Partner Sponsorship for Canadian Immigration. Family reunification is a key component of Canadian immigration, second only to economic immigration in terms of the number of newcomers welcomed each year. In 2024, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, aims to bring in 114,000 new permanent residents through family sponsorship programs. These programs include spousal sponsorship, sponsorship of children and dependents, as well as parents and grandparents. Overview of spousal sponsorship. Spousal sponsorship allows Canadian citizens or permanent residents to bring their foreign national spouses, common-law partners, or conjugal partners to Canada, enabling them to eventually become permanent residents. There are two main pathways for spousal sponsorship. Inland sponsorship, applied for within Canada. Outland sponsorship, applied for from outside Canada. Eligibility requirements for sponsors. To be eligible to sponsor a spouse or partner, the sponsor must meet the following criteria. Be at least 18 years old. Be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident living in Canada. Not be in prison, bankrupt, under a removal order, or charged with a serious offense. Not have been sponsored as a spouse to Canada within the last 5 years. Financial undertaking. Sponsors are required to sign a financial undertaking, which means they are legally responsible for supporting their spouse or common-law partner's basic needs for up to 3 years, even if the relationship ends. According to IRCC, these basic needs include food, clothing, shelter, and other necessities. Dental care, eye care, and health needs not covered by public health services. Relationship eligibility. The type of relationship also plays a role in determining eligibility. Spouse, legally married. Common-law partner. Partners must have lived together for at least 12 consecutive months in a marriage-like relationship. Conjugal partner. A committed relationship lasting over 12 months, where there are obstacles preventing cohabitation, such as immigration barriers or cultural/religious reasons. Processing time. IRCC's standard processing time for spousal sponsorship applications, whether through inland or outland pathways, is 12 months. Inland sponsorship. Inland sponsorship applies to couples who are both living in Canada. The foreign national spouse or partner must have valid temporary resident status, visitor, work permit, or study permit. Spousal Open Work Permit, SOWP. Foreign nationals applying through inland sponsorship may also apply for a Spousal Open Work Permit, SOWP, at the same time they submit their permanent residence application. This allows the foreign national to work while waiting for their application to be processed. Living arrangements. For inland sponsorship, spouses and common-law partners must live together when the application is submitted. Conjugal partners are not eligible for this pathway. Additionally, IRCC recommends that applicants do not leave Canada during the application process, as re-entry may not be guaranteed, especially for those requiring a visitor visa. Outland sponsorship. Outland sponsorship is intended for couples who are not living together in Canada. Both spouses, common law, and conjugal partners can apply through this pathway if they meet the eligibility criteria for spousal sponsorship. Sponsor residency. The sponsor typically resides in Canada, but the foreign national partner may travel to and from Canada while their application is being processed. Outland sponsorship may be the better option for sponsored partners who anticipate needing to leave and return to Canada during the processing period. By understanding the eligibility requirements and sponsorship options, Canadian citizens and permanent residents can reunite with their spouses or partners, helping to ensure a smooth immigration process.